So, welcome to the next section. Let's talk something about myself. A brief intro about instructor, that is me, Ravi Singh. What we are going to cover in this course, introduction, and what you can expect in this course. What is this course for? So, let's talk about the instructor, that is me. So I will be discussing about myself, then what is the purpose of this course, and what you will achieve by the end of this session. So what are the topics you are going to learn in this course that I will be discussing. So of course, if you have checked out my earlier courses, you know about me. So my name is Ravi Singh, and I have in this IT industry, I have 17 now, 16 plus, but close to 17 years of experience. And I mostly worked with architecture, software design, and my most of the work are in the middleware technology. So I have a very deep understanding and knowledge on the middleware technology that includes Java, API, even SQL databases. I have a good knowledge, and my focus here on Udemy is to create useful and very engaging course, which I will be able to share my knowledge to the world. So that is my only goal here, is that whatever I learned during my learning, I should be able to share it with the world. And I'm very excited, as with every other course, I always am very excited when I get a chance to sit and talk about what I learned and teach my students. So thank you very much for joining this course first. So you like my course and you are here trying to learn about DP700 Microsoft Fabric. So I'm very excited, and at the same time I will make sure that your time is worth. Okay, so now let's see what is the purpose of this course. So before that, you have to understand what is DP700 certification for the Microsoft Fabric. So when I say Microsoft Fabric, it includes the complete package. That is your data warehouse plus analytics, which is your Power BI. So that what it makes very interesting. With the other data warehouse, you only learn about the first part, which is data warehouse part, but not about the analyzing and the visualization part, which is in Microsoft Power BI. Whereas in Fabric, you'll get a chance to learn the complete end-to-end package, right from the data ingestion to creating analytics. Okay, so DP700 is of course is for Microsoft Fabric, which include the complete data warehouse plus Microsoft Fabric to create your analyzing, create your powerful visualizing. So this particular DP700 certification is to validate the candidate's ability to connect to different data sources. So there could be various data sources, like from a CSV, from a database, from API. There could be hundreds of sources that from where data should be coming in. So you should be aware about how to ingest the data from different sources. Then comes the clean and the transform part. So data may be raw, data may be unstructured, data may be in different format. So you should be able to clean and some kind of transformation on the data. For example, let's say I'm getting data in a different date format, and before ingesting it to database, I have to make it in a different format based on the countries where you are working. So based on the region, countries, there could be some transformation you have to do, and there could be some small business logic you have to write. For example, if you are getting a date of birth, can you convert it to age and then create a new database column which says the age? So those kind of transformation we can easily do in Microsoft Fabric. So you should be aware, or your knowledge will be tested on these topics. Then different type of data models you will be creating, which we'll be discussing in the later part of the slides. Of course, you will build report and dashboard. That's what Power BI is used for. And then the security and performance, how you can improve the data ingestion process or the security of data at a data warehouse level. So those things you should be aware of. That's the question will be asked from those topic. But before that, before we go into the individual chapters or sections, you should know why DP 700 matters. Why this certification matters? See, uh, of course, Power BI is in high demand and is one of the tool which is widely used in almost uh, all of the most of the companies wherever they have Microsoft shop. So if you learn Power BI, that is going to open a lot of doors for you. There will be new job opportunity once you have a good understanding of Fabric and Power BI. Your role will be once you get into Fabric is data analyst, business intelligence developer, Power BI developer. These are the initial roles which you should be targeting for, and of course there will be a recognition in the industry, in your company, in your organization once you have Microsoft certification in your resume. So once you get this certification, as I said, there will be more doors which will be opening, and of course one of the most rewarding part is the salary. So you will be expecting more salary because now you are going to play a major role uh, for your company. There will be more job opportunities coming to your way, and you will also enter, you will open the door for the data and analytics part in your career. So it's a very big industry, and almost all the organization, where it is small, mid or large, they have to have a data analytics part. So let's go into the next section, and uh, let's go into the next section and learn what we have.